Hello and welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be talking about your print formats, right? And print formatting is just how to make your code readable in Python. And there are two ways of doing this. You can either use the print f strings or the format method. Now we are going to look at how this is done in a moment, and this print formatting is especially useful in when you are dealing with variables and you need to make your print statements more readable. So let's jump into the Jupyter Notebook and see how this is implemented. So right here, you can see I have a blank notebook, and if you don't know how this is done, I would recommend you watching the previous videos in the previous classes. So for instance, let's say I have a variable called name, and this variable is going to hold a string, and this string will contain my name. Let's say Mark, right? Now, assuming I have another variable called age, they should hold my age, right? Now, I can just write a print statement and say right, this will work, but in this case this is not very dynamic, right? In the sense that when you have to do this for different students, all of them would have to put in their various names and ages. It means you would have to be printing your print statement will be for every student's age and name. It is not very efficient, and right now you are seeing the age here is in a string format, right? But let's say we are trying to make this dynamic. We want to make this program as dynamic as possible. The print format is what we should use, and to start off, we are going to use the f string. So to implement the f string, you just simply say print. After the brackets, the regular brackets, then you put an f, then the quotes comes next. Then here you type, hi, my name is. Now you have a name stored somewhere here in a variable called name. Now we just have to bring this variable down here, but to bring it down you use the curly braces and type in the name of the variable, then continue, say, and I am. The same thing with the age, the curly braces, then the name of the variable, then you continue. Now this is very efficient, because if you need to change this print statement, all you have to do here is just change the name of the person. Let's say we are using John and he is 20. So if we run this and then run this, see, the print statement has changed also. So this is a very dynamic way of writing this program. Another way of achieving this is using the the format method, right? So to use the format method, it's very similar to the f string. So how we do that is simply writing the print statement, then you write hi, then you put a curly braces with nothing inside, Now, now those curly braces are what's going to hold the variables you are going to be using, but at the end of everything you are trying to print out, you put a dot format, right? Then inside the dot format, you are going to put in the names of those variables that should fill in those curly braces, but you are going to be careful of the order here, right? The order of which you put these variables is how it's going to be printed out. So the first variable I want there should be the name and then the age. So when you print this, it comes out perfectly. So, and if you need to change the name anytime you want, you just simply do that, and it will work. Yes, so that is it about print formatting. See you in the next class.